What's up, guys, and welcome back. It's Duct Tape FPV, and as always, I'm here with Just Hack It. And today we're going to show you guys another awesome product. So today from Beta FPV, we have the Meteor 75 Pro. Now, this is a little 1S whoop. You can get it in digital, you can get it in analog. This particular model is analog, and it has a power of up to 400 milliwatts. So from 25 to 400 milliwatts is going to be a power output for your VTX. It only weighs 30.5 grams, and I don't even have all the pieces on there, so mine's a little bit lighter. First of all, this is super simple to build. This is not difficult. If you've never built a drone, this is going to be your first drone. It's not hard at all. It's all plug and play, as you can see. This right here is your plug. You're going to want to connect your USB to, so when you access Betaflight, things like that. And as far as going back to building it, you have just the 12 motor screws and the 4 canopy screws. It's super simple to build. I know the camera was upgraded to the CO3 camera. Now the props are 45 millimeters. The motors on here are 1102 22,000 kV. Now there's one other thing that I wanted to touch on with this, and that is the fact that I had an issue with my Fusion module, which is I have the Speedy B version, but it's the same technology. So I believe you have to turn that off. I'm going to check it out today. I'll update it in the video and let you know. But what was happening is when I powered up, I would get video, it looks wonderful, and then I would get a rolling static to the left or right, and I'm pretty sure that is the impulse sync or something. Whatever,